For the rest of the world, December has always been the start of the festive period leading to Christmas. But for Filipinos, festivities always begin at the onset of the Burr months, earning us the distinction of being the country with the longest Christmas season. It takes us several months to prepare for Christmas Day, and this celebration is carried through until the New Year. Central to the Filipino Christmas is the Noche Buena, a cherished tradition that celebrates the Filipino spirit of love for family and food, and is regarded as one of our most treasured meals as families come together to partake a meaningful banquet. However, Christmas this year presents a unique challenge with the COVID-19 pandemic that has had tremendous effects on public health and our economy. And compounded by the recent typhoons, Quinta, Rolly, Shawnee, and Ulysses, which have greatly devastated most parts of Luzon. These all have resulted in more communities and families struggling to put food on the table, and sadly comes at Christmas time. Hunger has worsened during and due to the pandemic, and with the effects of the recent typhoons, it may be expected that the September 2020 Social Weather Station data on involuntary hunger, with 30.7% or 7.6 million Filipino families experiencing hunger, may even increase. Bago na nalasa ang COVID sa ating bansa, sinalanta muna tayo ng Ursula sa dulo ng 2019. Ngayon, habang tayo nakadapa dahil sa pandemya, dumaluyong naman ang magkasunod na bagyong Quinta, Rolly, Shawnee, at Ulysses. Tila hindi tayo tinatantanan ng kalikasan. Libo-libo na naman ang idinagdag sa nagugutom nating mga kababayan. So since January of 2020, we have started to intensify government efforts in dealing with the problem of hunger, with the creation of the Interagency Task Force on Zero Hunger by the President through Executive Order Number 101 to assess, coordinate, and monitor initiatives of government agencies and concerned groups to ensure not only a whole of government, but a whole of nation approach to eradicate hunger in the Philippines and achieve food security. We reaffirm that food is one of the most basic human needs, and the lack of it, or hunger, is one, if not the greatest violation of this basic human right. Tahasan ko pong sasabihin, mangahas na po akong ihayag ang mga katagang ito. Ang kagutuman, kung hindi natin pagtutuunan ng atensyon at hanapan ng agaran at pangmatagalang solusyon, ay isang paglabag sa karapatang pangtao.